Thank you, Brian, for agreeing to say a few words today about your conservatory roof insulation and your customer experience with our company. I'd like to ask you a few questions, if that's
Sure.
okay.
Yeah, no worries.
So what do you think of your new conservatory roof insulation?
It's made the room usable, because prior to it having a new roof put on, it was just not usable in any way or form. It was too hot or too cold, and it leaked, and it just wasn't aesthetically very nice to look at. Now it's a room that I'm even now going to use as my main living room, so I'm over the moon with it. Great.
It's great. And do you like the look and the feel of the finish?
Yes, I do. Yeah, it's very clean and tidy. All it needs is me to finish decorating my bit, which I haven't done yet, but that's fine. But the roof itself will not need any decorating at all. Because, so yeah, it's great. It's easy to maintain, and it's very, very clean and tidy.
Brilliant. And can you feel the difference in the temperature already?
Definitely, 100%. Yeah, it's before I couldn't sit in it like this, even in this weather, and it's not particularly sunny today. But it would be so hot, it was unbearable. So yeah, it's definitely different.
And were you impressed with our fitters?
Funny enough, 100%, and I'm not just saying that, but they were two of the nicest guys I've had do work for me at all. Extremely respectful, nothing was too much trouble, and just nice people to deal with, and they did a very good job. So yeah, I was over the moon with the fitters. That's
nice to hear. And did you receive a high level of customer service and customer care from the company throughout?
Yes, I did. If I had any queries or there was something I wasn't sure about, I could make a call into the company, and if the person wasn't there to answer me straight away, I would get a phone call back very quickly. So customer care follow-up was excellent.
Good. And finally, would you recommend our company to other conservatory owners watching this video, to your friends, family and neighbours?
Yes, I would, without any question, and I have already mentioned it and spoken to people about it, so as to whether anything comes from that, I don't know, but definitely recommend it. Yeah, I was very, very pleased with the whole job, start to finish.
Brilliant. Well, thank you, Brian, for your time today and your kind words. It's very much appreciated. And thank you for your business and for choosing our company.
No problem, my pleasure.